you see I just given x equal input enter data. So this is my message. I given print C. Starting of program. After that print value of C. Next ending of program. These three lines are given. I have not given any end statements, so it will print everything in a one by one line. So but you should save it with the extension. So that means you need to provide some name. So for the later use you just provide some name. So in the test folder I just given the name of the so you just see run module enter data Python 3.8 version. So you see I just given the space along with the alphabet and the numerical value, then the dot. So that means all the symbols I have used. So it is printing all that value, but it is printing one by one line because print function will be having a new line statement by default. But I don't want to be printed in the next line. I want to be printed in the same line. You can use the property that end. Again here also so that will be printed in the same line. That means your answer will be printed in the same line. So starting program, value of C Python 3.8, ending of program. That means it is printing everything in a single line because we have given here end statements. So the end property will be will break the new line statements. So that is the use of this statements. Is there any doubts? Any other doubts? It automatically will print your answer in the next line. So it will not be printed in the same line. So that is the use of this end functions. Next Python comments. That means I want to give instructions to the user or I want to comment certain lines. You can use this Python comments. There are two types of single line and the multi-line. Single line comment represented by the hash. Multi-lines can be represented by triple single quotes, triple double quotes of the anything. So that means you can use triple or triple double quotes or single quotes 3 times. The starting and the ending lines. So that means more than one lines will be commented by using this multi-line comments. For examples, in this case, in this program, I don't want to execute only this line. You can give hash. That means that line will not be get executed. I just run this. 123. So just print starting of program value of C. That ending of program it's not executing because we have commented that. That means it will not go for the execution. So that is will be considered as a comments. Suppose I don't want to execute all these 3 lines. So you can all the 4 lines. You just give 3 times the single quotes. Control S. Control S. Just run this. It will not go for the execution. Even one line will not be get execute.